Hey everybody, I did not expect to be recording right now. It's 1:45 in the morning. Just had a print failure. I was actually finishing watching Stranger Things and then went in to check to see how the print was doing, and it was frozen at 72%. Um, kind of a odd coincidence because the AC in the apartment also stopped working not that long ago. It was nothing to do with a power outage. There was nothing like that. No power surge, or at least not that I'm aware of. It just happens to be a coincidence. So anyway, what I'm gonna try and do, because I'm on limited time, I was hoping to get this thing printed before I fly back to the United States, and still have other things to do this weekend before we fly out. So I'm hoping I could salvage this. Now on my printer, it does not have a restart function, a save progress function, so it was the progress was lost when it froze. So what I have to do is try to figure out exactly where on the model it stopped, and then I'll measure that precisely and edit the 3D model, slice it exactly, toe cramp, slice it exactly where it stopped in the print, and then just print out the remaining half and manually assemble it. And I will have to do some yeah, brain's not working, it's late, I'm tired. Anyway, you got the idea. Yeah. Turn that off. The battery on that light is dying, I guess. It's not that bright. Alright. Well, I'm going to measure this now and see if I could edit this as quickly as possible and actually get it printing again. Hopefully it was just an overheated board, and now it's cooled down and should be able to function properly again. I hope the nozzle, the print nozzle, is not clogged or broken or anything like that, because I don't know how long it was sitting there just being heated, and the fan was still running, so luckily it didn't overheat. It remained at the print temperature, the normal 220 degrees that it was set at. But all right, let me continue here, and then I'll update you guys in another video.